Welcome back to Simple Builds. In today's video, we got another budget transformation going down. This is one of my Patreon's cars. It is a 2002 Honda Accord. Let's jump right into it. To get started, we're going to start on the suspension. We got to get the wheels off and the old suspension out. These are the coils that we found secondhand. I'm not sure the brand, but these were $200, $250 actually on Facebook Marketplace. But when I went there, I talked them down to $200 bucks. So we threw them in. That is most of our budget, but it makes a huge difference. Lowered it to just the right amount of daily ability, not too low, not too high. Usually around 1 finger wheel gap. Up next, we have a $50 Easy Lip. These are super easy to install. You can see me here spraying on some prep spray. You can also just use any kind of alcohol-based prep spray. Something cheap works. And then peel back to 3M and stick it on. Up next is to give the car a good wash. You can pick up soap and a wash mitt for pretty cheap, around $15. And of course, you don't need a power washer, just your regular house hose will work just fine, but I prefer to use my power washer. Sometimes when you're on a budget, you have to choose the things that take a little bit longer, but they obviously cost less, and that is just the name of the game. Stick around to the end. I'll show you a product drop that I'm super excited to share with you guys. Up next, I'm going to show you guys the headlight restoration. What you'll see here is the 5-step process to restore these headlights. This comes in the kit. You got 2 little pads and each side has a different grit, and you start from high and then you move down low, but the pads are numbered 1 through 4. And then you have this clear coat that comes in this little packet, which is super satisfying. You can really see the shine come back to life. Here's a quick tip in your headlight restoration kit. You have some compound. Take that compound that you have left over from the headlights, which you definitely will have some, put it into a microfiber cloth, and then rub it onto a dirty, grimy spot like this that did not come off with the wash, and you'll see pretty easily it comes right off. Then we also have the last piece of the puzzle, a $20 touch-up pen. You can find these in all different colors, and I found this one Honda white, so hopefully this matches up pretty decently, and as you can see the color matches up pretty well, so I was happy with the result. The car's all finished up. Before I show you guys the finished result, I'm dropping a new tee. Here's the design right here. This is the tee for the giveaway build number 7. I'm going to start a new idea where I drop one of these tees for every giveaway build. Every purchase from these tees will be going right back into the channel, right back into the content, into the giveaway builds for you guys to make better content. So any support there on the link in my description, simpleclothing.co, that is much appreciated. The White Accord owner is also a Patreon, and if you guys want to get a chance to get your car a little budget transformation like this or a full giveaway build, please enter in the Patreon. Make sure you follow the instructions to see if you're qualified to enter first before you enter. If you enjoy this one, please hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Thanks for tuning in. I'll see you guys in the next one.